Because if you once had sex, don't expect to marry a virgin.
Two blind people cannot lead each other. Thank you very much.
If you're going to look for a wife, single mothers should be the least on your radar.
According to me, Shadaya zvese zvaanotaura ka ndakatoona sekuti andingambozvichereri hazvina basa anongoita yanoita isitoita yatinoita.
How do you expect to marry a virgin when you were disvirgining other people? It doesn't make sense.
If you give me 100 ladies, I'll impregnate.
A man is more happy fucking more women than just one woman.
It doesn't make sense because iye Shadaya ntomboti vakadzi problem. Saka how can every man be happy with many problems? Simataura ake zvitombo make sense kana why?
Scientifically, women are wiser than men.
Takapuwa rudo rwozvinhu vana havagoni kuti yena tingozamawo kuti tispread kunze kwakaoma.
It's up to him kuti adecide kuti anoda here kuita nezvesingle mother rake iroro kana kuti, because everyone deserves love and handingamuudzira hangu ndinokwanisa kumuudzira but still kana angodawo izvozvo handina zvandingamuita.
Do you believe in no sex before marriage?
The reason wambeneta tizondiroora munhu ari mhandare is because you want to mold the person wauchazoda kwete kutora munhu akatomodika kuti ari atone a rigid understanding.
What matters most in a marriage or in a relationship is communication. One mistake that is made by people out there simply because they are marrying a person who's no longer a virgin or not someone who has experienced more than the other is that
Which means if you are blessed financially,
then ndiri chibvayo izvozvo pamwe dai ndisingatozivi kuti mukadzi wangu weupedzisira ari kupi.
chii chinonyatsokuitika chinoita kuti musagutsikane nevanemusikana munge muchida kana kuti 3, 4, 5.
Statement andingatongokupa nderekuti iwewe hapana paunombofara iwe uchidya beef kuti.
So guys, muri kuzvidzira vega, we are happy kuti tiri kuwana different views mumastreets, vanhu vachinyatsotaura pfungwa dzavo. Shadaya said 1 drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with PhDs. What do you think about that statement?
To be honest, I think that statement was just made by a drunk man not knowing what he was saying.
Hello guys, my name is Tisende Mhloro, and in this documentary we take you through some of the most controversial topics that has been discussed on social media. And you guys, if you are new, please consider subscribe, comment and share, for we are going to hear different sides from men and women, young adults, discussing their opinions.
Guys, so nyaya yatinayo nhasi iyi statement rakataurwa naShadaya paaita interview naNormanize achiti hanzi every man is happy with multiple women. So tapinda mustreets tinyatsonzwa kuti what do men say and how do they view this statement. And also we are also going to talk to 1 or 2 women or females that are going to contribute in this short documentary about Shadaya's statement. Tinzo kuti vanenge vachitochi. So today ndina Mr. Adson Tekwani, he's also a journalist. My guys, I give you the platform. Introduce yourself.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. My name is Adson, as you have alluded, but mustreet vanoziva kuti mhofu.
Okay.
Ndo mhofu wacho vanenge vachirehwa.
Right.
And I'm most glad kuti nyaya iyi yavataura iyi inowanzotageta isusu vana mhofu kazhinji kacho.
Okay.
Do you know what they say kuti in life? All right. Let me take you back to the creation of human beings.
Right.
Bible, in fact. Ukatarisa, the most people that were loved by God.
Exactly.
Nikakupa example ya David. Ndokupa example again ya King Solomon.
Yeah.
Ukatarisa, those people have traits. That trait ndekuti vese vane vakadzi vakawanda.
Okay.
And to me, kuita vakadzi vakawanda, I believe kuti it's a result yekuti you are able to feed them.
You are able to do it?
You have the skill yekutsvaga mari.
Okay.
Because kazhinji kacho munhu wese who is associated with greatness,
right,
what do you see around them? Women.
Okay.
So when God created a creation paper,
right,
when God created Adam, Adam ambogara muEden arega. What did God say? It is not good for this man to stay alone.
Right.
but iwewe now because capacity yako is overflowing, basa rari kubata alright sababa,
right,
rakati one day une mabusiness there, une mabusiness uku womira nemukadzi waneri, can she really help you kuvaka musha kana kuti wakutoda an army of women?
So my question to you is, an army of women hazvizokonzeresewo futi the chaos at the same time? Because remember kuti one woman anenge achikudza ma-advice and a lot of things to do, and then when there are now a lot panogona kuitika conflict of interest or miono yezvinhu, even your own money can also be inokwanisa kuexploitwa. What do you think on that? Because now your money has to support multiple women instead of maybe one single woman. What's your thought on that one?
So on that case now, that's why uchonoti pamadzibaba edu madziteteguru edu isusu,
yes,
they mainly relied on agriculture and farming, anditi?
Yeah.
So what they would do, arora vakadzi vake 8,
yes,
ane 20 hectares dzake dzinoda kurimwa. Vakadzi veve vakumpa vana, uyu ari kumpa vana 4, uyu ari kumpa vana. Now there is no need yekuti unoita hiring and firing yevanhu. You are now getting the support from the people, from your family, you understand? Anzi kuwanda huya museve wakapotera pamusoro. Inini, it's not, I'm not here to say that I'm a polygamist, and to avoid it, polygamist, but I'm saying kuti kuwanda huya museve unopotera pamusoro.
So you believe the more you are, the better it is?
Yeah, there is power in unity and there's power in numbers.
But remember, we are using one source of finance. Maybe you are the main provider of the family.
Alright, what I'm saying now is vakadzi ava uya vakawanda vakuita join hands, like example nanchikupa kumunda chichi pataisa kura tiri 2 nemukadzi wangu tiri 2 kana tava 8 taakupedza gandiwa rese remunda, anditi?
Okay.
That means kuti taneka kubatirana katakuita mucommunity, because pamba pedu, because tawanda, there is power in numbers. There is a popular statement ezo muchirungu yavanoti, if you want to go far, if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far,
guys, mukuzvinzwa mega, I'm sure you guys have got the best comments, so I want you guys to comment what you think about what Tekwan is saying. My brother, you are saying you need a lot of women so that if you want to go far, you go together. But if you are 2, you and your wife, can we say that you guys, you are already 2? It's no longer you yourself.
Yeah, as someone who is trying to say something that won't incriminate me for my wife, yes, 3-2. We can be invincible. But at the same time, what we need to do is those people who have the capacity to have a polygamous family, they should do. I don't see any crime or any harm they will be causing to the society. Yes, I know personally I might not have the capacity, but for those people that have the capacity, that feel like polygamy is the way to go, I believe, Guti. As for men, we were given that power within us. That's why you see, if you give me 100 ladies, I'll impregnate.
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
My name is Euphonium Changer.
Okay, so guys, we are keeping on with the questions. Tatachi mbobvunza before that, what do you think about Shadaya's statement? So Nastina sister, to that one respond kuti when Shadaya said 1 drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with PhDs. What do you think about that statement?
To be honest, I think that statement was just made by a drunk man not knowing what he was saying, because how can you say that 1 drunk man is wiser than 3 women with PhDs? Like, scientifically, women are wiser than men. Whether educated or not.
Scientifically?
Yes.
Why do you say scientifically? Because they were also debating about the issue of something being scientific.
Okay, it's fine. Whether it's scientific or not,
yeah,
a woman is wiser, matured than a man.
Why do you say so?
It's nature.
By nature?
Yeah, it's nature.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's what you think?
No, that's not what I think. That's what I know.
Can you give us one example, an instance where you have seen that thing happening in real life, where maybe
Will you marry a woman older than you?
I know I'm the one who is
You
currently
won't.
interviewing
You
so-
won't, right? No, that's the reason why we say women are wiser. Why? Because you know that you'll be intimidated if you're to get involved with a woman who is older. You
But
need to say that their brains matures faster and they're more wiser than a person.
Actually, I've got real life situations whereby a woman is dating a younger guy. You know it on,
Dating.
on Zoom social media.
Dating.
Yeah.
Dating.
Or even marrying. Attend the any world view of someone who has married someone, a man who is younger than a woman.
Yeah, this young man that has been trending recently by the name, what's his name? This young man, Arulana mother of Chuzo. What's his name? I'm forgetting his name. But he is there, and the mother is really, really happy with him.
No, it's like it's not marriage. It's not marriage. It's not. It's just dating, like a Ben 10, right?
Okay, is it a marriage setup or they are actually dating?
No,
Is
it's
it
not a
for
marriage
fun?
setup.
I think these guys are very serious with what they're doing.
Are they married?
So guys, I leave this to the comment section. Or at least we move on to the next question, where Shadaya actually said one man is more happy with multiple women. So I want to hear your view as a lady. Or how do you view this statement?
One man
from a lady's
is
perspective.
One man is happy.
No man. What's the statement again, Tina? Every man is happy with multiple women. That's the statement.
Yeah, I can vouch for that. It can be true, but then it now depends with the lady. Do you know that you can find many ladies in one woman? In one woman, I mean, it's
Okay,
possible.
tell us,
and you
educate
just okay, like okay. What I'm trying to say is that you can find many things in one woman, and you feel like you're dating a lot of women. So it now depends with the woman that you're dating. Because if you're dating a person who is, you know.
So you're saying one woman can actually be 2 or 3, but I believe in the sense that these guys were discussing this topic, he was actually meaning like 2 different people. I understand that you as a lady, you can actually change the scenes of how you are behaving today, maybe tomorrow
Exactly.
you're like this, then the next day. But in the sense that they were discussing about this, it's about one man being happy with multiple women, not even if you change, but there are multiple women, maybe 3 or 4 women. Would you like your man to do that?
No, certainly not.
So you wouldn't want to be married to someone with 1 or 2?
Yeah, I
Two
don't.
more
I hate
girls
sharing.
outside.
I can't share.
Okay, what's the bad thing about sharing though?
Okay, so the bad thing about sharing is I have been compared. That's number 1. Number 2, I just believe that I am more than enough.
But comparison is already there because even you ladies, you always compare.
Yeah,
me.
it has to. It's there, but then it does not have to be obvious. That's just the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it does not have to be obvious. Kuti, I'm sharing you plus teaching machine. Ndosema.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That much.
I'm getting it. So there was also another famous post that DJ Ola 7 actually posted on social media,
Okay.
where he was discussing about what's your view on maybe you've been staying with your men for some time, maybe both of you, none of you has a car, and the guy buys a car first before he marries you. What's your thoughts on that?
Okay. What are you doing, Mr. Man?
Maybe obviously it will be in the man's name in most cases.
If it's in his name, then to be honest, ayawa, koni tangarora.
Okay, so to you, like
Because
marriage is the first thing.
Because there's just something that I believe in, kuti pane kamimi soka kambotrenda soka kakanzi kana mukomana kwane mota zakuti makawanda mota ivo.
Okay.
It was a joke, but it was true in a way. Then you get a car first.
Right.
Car is what you would.
So this comes back to the prior statement that you made that you hate sharing.
Yeah.
So you believe that once a man has a car, they're now
No.
sharing it with other girls.
All right. There's a difference between sharing. All right.
But they say sharing is caring. What's the
We share other things. We share other things, bro. We share other things, not a man. Not a man. Yeah, not a man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, on Shadaya's post, one of his posts, he said, if you are, especially to the young men who are about to get married, if you are to get married, the last option you should have is to marry a woman that has been de-virgined by someone else or a non-virgin woman. What's your thoughts on that?
Okay, on that one, personally, I don't think Kuti is right. Why? Because inini, I believe in karma.
Okay.
I believe in nature, and I believe in God. Kuti, mara abambo kupe munasiri virgin or virgin. Kashoma. My one.
Okay.
And it, because you have to know Kuti virginity even rolon, and it virginity even in my Olympics. I even in my gymnastics. Couldn't you know what? And it. And got to visco atora sisko. And one thing that you have to know about a lady is okona kadi as of makurara mono. Many feelings are attached to that.
Okay.
So I didn't get to disappoint ko saka otaza kurorwa.
Okay.
Yeah. Plus you, how do you expect Kuti? The universe will always pay you back, you know. How do you expect to marry a virgin when you were disvirgining other people? It doesn't make sense.
As a man.
Yeah, as a man.
Now, this topic that you are discussing about, if you are a man, the situation is different because a man, you are the one who is speaking right here. You are the one who is speaking. And as a man, you must have more experience than a lady. What's your thoughts on that?
Why do you say a man has to have more experience than a lady?
I'll answer you with another question.
What's that?
Would you want to be married to a man who doesn't know anything? Or maybe you are the one who knows best?
It's okay.
It's okay.
What matters, that's when we come back to the issue that what matters most in a marriage or in a relationship is communication. One mistake that is made by people out there simply because they are marrying a person who is no longer a virgin or not someone who has experienced more than the other is that no kata communication. Let's say Kuti inini, I tell a man Kuti, all right, this is not what I want. Since I'm the one unexperienced and baby, let's do it this way. It's a turn off. And we're not. But then I'm just trying to make you. And this could have cheater, okay? Did I Kuti ungo fila the gate and whatnot. So I think it's okay, Shango. I don't have a problem with it.
But but at the same time, you're saying you will be knowing some things and you want to say, my guy is done like this and this.
Not like he's done like this.
The proper way of you as a lady trying to teach a guy how to do it.
Why would you say it's done like this? No, because it's done is sort of like affirmative. It's too much of a command. Like it can just be a suggestion. Babe, why don't you do like it? Why don't you just do it like this?
Okay.
You know, like I was going to. Alright, you make it like I was going to zero about the position, but it's just a suggestion.
Alright, one more question.
Okay.
Alright, I think I want to help you there. The reason why me as a guy wouldn't want to marry someone who has been de-virgined by another guy. Number one, us guys, we come in different shapes, different sizes, different forms. I don't know the race yakatanga nayo kuti how big is it, or how big was it, how strong was it, how many minutes that did he last on bed. So we as guys as well, we also have that what can I call it? We hate to look inferior in front of you. Kukana akatanga nemunhu aitorwa 3 hours, yet I'm struggling for 2 minutes.
On that, I understand what you're saying, but then don't you think it's selfish? Because you're trying to, you know your weakness, but you're trying to take advantage of me because I don't know. You understand?
It's not a weakness as such.
It's what?
It's not it's a comparison. Because you have tested something better, you expect everyone to be better than what you have tested before.
Alright, the fact that you know what you last 3 minutes or you last less in bed means that you're no longer a feature. Right?
No, that's not the case. That's not the case.
No, okay, fine. How would you know?
My point
how would
is,
you know?
Okay, all right. Okay, let's take it this way. My point now that I want to stress out is me taking you into my family, giving you my surname. I want someone who I can trust when I go in Zambia for a workshop, when I go in Tanzania for whatever that I'm doing, business that I'm doing. I want someone that I can trust. Kuti Sarachi Funga kuti there was that ex who was good than my husband. Thank you.
Alright. No, wait. I want to ask a question. Alright, it's fine. Before I ask the question, let me just say, it's a rule. Kuti kana wewe waigara nemombe anditi ukatengesa mombe idzodzo anditi alright ukatengesa mombe idzodzo no I mean kuti iwe kana wakatenga mombe kumunhu anditi chibva kwa nzvimbo yawakadzitenga nekuti paichaenda kunonwa mvura ichanzwa the same code ichatera. Besides that anditika zvekuti comparison and what not, do you believe in no sex before marriage?
Guys, do you believe in sex
do you
before?
Know, do you believe
are
yeah
the ones who being asked, right?
Do you believe in no sex before marriage? Because if you believe
in it,
in me personally, I think that it's personal. But anyways, if you believe in no sex before marriage, that means that it is possible. So you can find a person who believes in no sex before marriage like you do. Definitely you guys are both virgins, so you can get married to each other. Because if you once had sex, don't expect to marry a virgin. So.
All right. So there's only one statement that I want to share with you here.
Yes.
I have learned it from the wisest guys on earth. They say, two blind people cannot lead each other. Thank you very much.
I know that, and I want to leave you with a statement too. I want to leave you with a statement too. Do unto others as you want them to do unto you. Yes.
okay, guys, we leave you. It's a point of discussion. You have to discuss. We want to see. This is now an exciting discussion between men and women. We want to hear. So we've been researching more into these discussions because we've been seeing a lot of people are actually involved in these ones when guys like Shadaya usually post these topics. So we are going into the ground asking ladies and even men to hear their thoughts about this discussion. Thank you so much, my sister, for participating in this one. Let's meet in the next episode because I know these guys have got a lot of questions.
Not for me.
Yeah, not for you, but some of them will be specifically directed to you. You know, people what they do.
I understand, but then they also have to know that it's not everything that I say that I do.
All right, okay.
Shukupere.
Boy. So Shadaya famous statement like rakataura kuti every man is happy with multiple women. Kuti wewe semurume unonzwa kufara nevakadzi vakawanda kana kuti vasikana ameno kuti ainyatsoreva kuti chii ipapo, but according to the way amanzwisisa nayo imi munotiwo chii nestatement akataurwa nemukuru? Imimi personally makazvimiririra muri happy here?
Obvious tiri happy.
Okay. Nei chii chinonyatsokuitika chinoita kuti musagutsikane nehwani musikana munge muchida kana kuti 3, 4, 5?
Statement andingatongokupa nderekuti wewe hapana paunombofara uchidya beef every day. Unofanira tombochinjanisa nhasi warwa chicken, mangwana beef, mangwana chakati, mangwana sausage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Saka nyaya iripo inyaya yekuchinjanisa.
Kumbochinjanisa nhasi wombonzwa uyu mangwana wombonzwa uyu.
Guys, nofunga mukuzvinzwira mukoma vachitaura. We want to also to hear your comments from the comment section kuti imimo munotiwo chii nestatement iroriri, because this statement ranetsa mumastreets. Saka isusu tozopinda mustreet macho tida kunzwa kuti vanhu vanoti chii. Then Shadaya also moved on to say another statement yekuti hanzi one drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with PhDs. What do you think in a statement iroriri? One murume akadhakwa ane uchenjeri
kupfuura vakadzi vangana, kupfuura vakadzi vese
3 vane maPhD vakaenda kuuniversity vakapedza vakanostada futi more kusvika palevel rePhD. What's your thought?
Ngaamukadzi afunge.
Guys,
Why
are you saying so?
Vakadzi vafunge. Even iwewe achitoona kuti kumunyepera anokwanisa tongobvuma kuti chokwadi ndokusafunga kwacho ikoko.
Right, guys, you're hearing it yourself. Isusu tiri mumastitsika. Kana muchangotibata aiwa, don't forget to subscribe ku YouTube channel yedu. Isusu tinenge tichingofamba tichibvunza tichinzwawo zvanenge zvichifungwa vanhu vakawanda mumastreets nekwese kwamuri kuti aiwa hazvisingori zvepasocial media chete, tinenge tichifamba tichibvunziridza. Also, Shadaya says, if you are going to marry, your last option should be a non-virgin woman, right? Or a woman who has been de-virgined by someone else. What do you think? Could you should only marry, when you think about marrying, my non-virgin woman? My virgin woman, not my non.
Iye mukadzi iwonorore mukadzi asiri mhandara. Mukadzi asiri mhandara aroorwe.
Because chinenge chaitika mumwe munhu anenge aitawo mamistakes mumastreets, panenge pane zvinenge zvaitikawo pamwe atopiwo munhu mwoyo obva azorasisa.
Inini chada kutaura ndechekuti hakuna chinonzi mistake.
Okay.
Hapana iwewe paunoenda kumba kwemukomana unenge uchitodandowedzewa ropa here. Obvious, kwatona uchienda kumba kwemukomana zaro ndonyaya iripo.
Okay.
Inyaya yakatongopera kudhara uda tondorara naye. Plus even iwewe kauchizati uchiri kuda umhandara wako. Hapana pauno kana usingaderara naye umbomupe gumbo.
Okay.
Chete.
So guys, ndofunga muri kuzvinzwira kana mune mibvunzo yakawanda yamunenge muchida kuti tibvunze mumastreets ayo, please feel free to ask them muma comment sections kuti we will pick one or two yekuti tifambe tichibvunza vanhu mumastreets. Do you have any other questions, Tendai?
Pane question yekuti norora. Question yekuti iwewe une bhebhi rauri kudanana naro. Wabata 3000 US. Unotanga nekuroora here kana unotanga nekutenga mota?
Right. Mdara
inini ndiri ndotanga nekutenga mota. Pene nyangwe tichikwira tese ndotanga kutenga mota.
Nei uchichoose that decision?
Vakadzi vanonetsa baba. Ndikatotenga mota pamwe ikatotiitira business pakuti munhu anouya izondipa maproblem life mangu.
Okay. Is it always the case yekuti munhu paanosvika anounza maproblems kana kuti dzimweni dzenguva anogona kunge achiuyochi nemablessings?
Vakadzi hapana mablessing anomboya nawo. Amen.
Right. Tiku Heathcliff Market. What's the name? Padust, yeah?
Yeah, Panapa is Padust. Panapa, you can get anything that you want.
So guys, as you can see, my farmers, people are just doing their what?
Their business, yeah.
Their business as usual.
Yeah, this is take money.
Taking money.
Yeah.
People investing.
When you come come here, this is like the mini bar that we have this
the
side.
Mini bar in Heathcliff.
In Heathcliff.
Musika wakarongwa zvawo.
Aiwa, kunopisa.
So guys, people are making money with a lot of things here.
It may look as if zvinhu zvenzara wakazvitarisa. But if you came by the end of the day, you will be shocked. Vanhu vachiverenga ma-US dollars. Ekuwanda. And people come from as far as Borodeo, as far as Kroy, coming this way for the market. And my farmers, we are market of Chipana. So it's a big market, a very, very big market.
So people just sell their products here. One drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with a PhD. So today, one of the women that we are standing with right here. So my sister, what do you think about the statement? One drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with PhD.
No.
You don't agree to the statement?
Yes.
Okay, why do you say so?
Because ndizvirambe ndechekuti kamudhakwiro kacho kaitwa vanhu ava it's not normal.
Guys, nimunodhakwa muri kuzvinzwa. Hanzi kamudhakiro kacho kave makaita.
Munenge muchitoudza like zvinhu zvinenge zvitora hameno like kuti munhu yanenge aitona zvanenge aitotaura nezvanenge aitotaura zvezvakatosiyana. So pfungwa dzandendinadzo inini ndiri one naivavo ka dzakatosiyana by far. Indokwanisa kufunga kudarika ivo because vamwe vacho hatizoziva hedu kuti
tanenge akadhakwa
kusvika palevel ripi.
Okay, thank you so much, my sisters. Hello guys, so right now tiri paHeathcliff Market. Tikukontinya neinterview yedu. Ndasangana nasister wandinawo panapa. Zviri sei?
Ndozvati muri sei?
Ndipo saka nhasi tine mubvunzo. Ungada kuzviintroduce here kuti vanhu vazive kuti tiri kutaura naye?
Inini mutaura naSister Talent.
Alright. So Sister Talent, mubvunzo wedu nhasi ndewekuti ndezvipi zviri naye kuti iwewo nemufesi wako wave naye wari kugara naye aita mari abata maguda ekuwanda otanga akuroora here kana kuti otenga mota? What is the best way?
Anofanira kutanga andiroora kwezotenga mota.
Okay, why do you think kuti anofanira kutanga kuroora ombomira kutenga mota?
Chikonzero choita kuti ambomira kutenga mota asati andiroora because ndechekuti vabereki vangu togona kutenga mota yedu but vabereki vangu vangonondisungira play kuti mwana wangu ari kuvhaira achitenga mota iye asina nambobvisirwa kana senti.
Okay, so it's all about
so togona kungofamba nemotikari iyoyo ka zvemadays motikari tanga kuita maproblems asi kana akaroora eno akazobata zvake mari chero tikazoda kutenga 4x4 chero ratozoda kufamba nemotikari inodhura seka at least vabereki vangu vanenge vaine mufaro vake vanenge vaine mufaro kuti mwana wedu akaroora vangu vanenge vaine mufaro kuti mwana wangu akaroora at least zviri right.
Wow, thank you so much guys. Nofunga mukuzvinzwira mega. Stay tuned as we'll be continuing with this interview. How are you doing? So yeah, we are with sister today. We're asking some questions that has been trending on social media, especially from our own One Alpha. They say Shadaya when he says some sensitive questions and some sensitive statements. So I want to know kuti vakadziwo vanofilo sei uye vanofunga sei maererano nethese statements. So today I'm with Tadiwa. Okay, Tadiwa, I want you to respond to Shadaya's statement when he said one drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with PhDs. What do you think?
Sure. Inini, according to me, Shadaya zvese zvaanotaura ka ndakatoona sekuti handingambozvichereri, hazvina basa, anongoita yaanoita isitoita yatinoita because tikatarisa haana panombosapota vakadzi ofishi iye chaiye akatozvarwa nemukadzi saka hatiziviwo zvaanoda, maybe kungodawo fame hatizivi but hazvibetseri because tell me why iye achidhisa vakadzi but akazvarwa nemukadzi and Holiday chaiyo akatoti you see mukadzi ndimai saka wakatuka amai saka zvese zvaunenge wakutongotaura izvo.
Asi Shadaya achitaura anenge achiti I'm trying to protect the girl child, like I was sent to protect the girl child, to tell you kuti no, if you want to get married please protect yourself, do this and don't give yourself to men who haven't married you so far. And you are also saying akavenga vakadzi, saka tuti akavenga vakadzi papi iye ari kutira kuti akuudzei imimi kuti no, keep yourself?
Ari kutiudza kuti tiite keep ourselves papi because most of his points haasi yekutsiura, ndeyekutitsikirira. Kutsiura nekutsikirira is two different things. Saka at some point unotoona kutoti uri kutsikirirwa more than kutsiurwa.
Okay, so there's thank you for that contribution. Moving on to the next question. Pane statement rakataura achiti but this was directed to the young men. Okay. But I want you to respond it from a sense of you advising your son who is gonna be the person that you are going to your child, right? And maybe they're at a point where they want to get married.
Okay.
Right. Shadaya said if you are going to marry, the last option that you should have is to marry a single mother as a young boy or as a young man. What are your thoughts on that, that statement?
You said
Now you're advising.
I'm advising my son.
Yes. Would you want him to take a single mother?
No. Yeah, very tricky. But iko zvino hazvo ka vana unokwanisa kumuadvise otozongoita zvimwewo zvakasiyana nezvawamuudza. Saka it's up to him kuti adecide kuti anoda here kuita nezvesingle mother rake iroro kana kuti, because everyone deserves love and handingamuudzira hangu ndinokwanisa kumuudzira but still kana angodawo izvozvo handina zvandingamuita.
Okay. On that note, there was also another post that was trending on social media when DJ Ola 7 vaisa post. Saka post yanga iri directed to what's important. Kuti let's say mufeso wako umuri kugara mese and abata mari akawanda otenga mota here kana kutotanga nekunokuroora iwe, but mama kutogara mese and otoona achitonotenga mota. Will you be comfortable with it, or he should start by buying a car? What do you think?
Honestly, I won't be comfortable with him buying a car before aenda kunondiroora first, because ayo hazvitongoiti. Why would you buy a car inini wakatotora usina kundiroora? Saga.
So you believe kuti, move closer to the camera. So you believe kuti anofanira kunge atanga neku
exactly anofanira kutanga andiroora inini ozoita zvekutenga mota dzake, ozoita zvekutsvaga maassets ake.
All right, so we have another question that we have from Dubai.
All right, okay. I think when we are talking of cars, we are saying a motor without deeper understanding kuti motor iri kutengwa ndei. Because right now here in Zimbabwe, people are making a lot of money from InDrive. People are making money from Shika. All right, kana iri rora da kuhaisa, tiwane more money kuti tiwane a foundation wekuti we can build from. Not just kuti ari kutengera for prestigious region. I just feel like I should emphasize on that.
Okay, thank you so much, Tendai. You have heard.
Okay, since you really emphasized on that, kuti maybe anenge atenga mota yekuti aite zve InDrive, araise mari yekuti aende kunoroora. At least ukatanga watsanangura kuti no, takutenga mota kuti tiwane mari yakawanda yekuti unoroora.
Every man is happy with the multiple women. What do you think about that statement?
Yeah, from my own perspective, I feel like if you are coming from a patriarchal society, zvinoita make sense, because already it's an established ethic yekuti murume anofana kuita wakadzi wakawanda kuratidza kuti is an alpha. Unless otherwise, if you don't fall into that category, zvinogona kuomera kuti I can't be satisfied with more than one man. Okay.
So you as a man, you standing by yourself, are you happy with having more than two women?
Now zvakuendana ne-economic status yandinenge ndinayo like today do not determine kuti am I worthy to have more than one wife. Kana ndichiona kuti status yangu economically yakasheka handidi kuzvipinza mupressure izvo zvasingazokwanisi kuhandla. Saka at this moment I can safely say kuti one wife is still okay in terms of economic status.
So which means if you are blessed financially in abundance.
Yeah, then ndiri chivhayo izvezvi pamwe dai ndisingatozivi kuti mukadzi wangu wekupedzisira ari kupi.
So guys, muri kuzvidzira vega, we are happy kuti tiri kuwana ma different views muma streets, vanhu vachinyatsotaura pfungwa dzavo kuti vanozona sei. Then the other famous quote that he said like for the young men who are growing, and if you want to get married as a young man, the last option you should have is to marry a nanny virgin wife.
Okay.
Yes. Do you agree to the statement? The last option you should have is to marry a woman that has been de-virgined by someone. That should be the last option.
All right.
Or a single mother, to be specific.
All right.
Should be your last option.
All right. I don't know what others might think, but taking it from the way the world is today, I think chinonyanya kukosha pakuroora munhu maybe is just the character yemunhu unoda kuroora, but character manje inotoautwa the moment yaanongotanga kusava virgin, because anenge exposed to different logics and understandings of life. Ndo munhu wekuti pamwe brain dzake atoestablisha kuti varume vese vakafanana, of which pamwe mune musina kufanana, because munhu akangoruza virginity, which means atanishika image yake personally. Kana especially akatozoita futi mwana zvakutomuremera on the other hand kuti akwanise kuve stable, because already ukangoda kunoradza tuma instincts tokuda kumudzira zvekuita kutoti men are always the same. Saka the reason wambeneta kuti tizonzi roora munhu ari mhandare is because you want to mold the person wauchazoda, kwete kutora munhu akatomodika kuti ari atone a rigid understanding.
Okay, so some ladies will argue and say, no, what if it was a mistake and I was already committed to this man, but iye ndiye akazongondirasisa wake. Would you still take it?
Yeah, zvinoda deeper understanding. It's not easy.
What exactly would you want to understand from her? Because she's coming from an honesty point of view. No, my guy, inini ndanditoriwo munhu angari right, but ntakazosanganawo nezvihombe mumastreets.
You know, the funny fact, my brother, is a human is always a human being. Honest truth about human beings is that no matter how honest somebody is, there's always a bias in their mentality, no matter how honest someone might say. Kana chakambomudhambisa ichocho chakaita kuti azosiyiwa ichocho chizoramba chimanifesta already chatomahari. Pamwe anogona kunga chitora sekuti it's a positive side, but kune munhu akamudhamba changa chiri negative. Ukazochirealize later ndopo wakuzoona kuti no, I made a mistake.
Oh, thank you so much. There's also another post that has been put by DJ Ola7.
Oh.
But I'm going to summarize it, not exactly what he said. So he was like, let's say we are a man, we are staying with a lady that you haven't married before, but you are staying together. And then you overtenga a new car.
Okay.
Before you marry. I just want to ask you yourself, what would you do? Would you buy a new car before you marry, or you start with marrying? As a man.
Okay, which would you prefer, buying a new car or marrying?
Yes.
Gonotori murume uchigona kutenga mota. Hapana chinokutarisa kuroora.
Saka what would you start with?
Either of the two.
So which means you can start with
you can start with buying a car, or you can start with marrying. But as long as you can afford a car, it means kutorora kuchamba kunetsa. Because chakupusha kutenga mota is more expensive in terms of everything else. Saka chinozokutarisa kuroora mukadzi chi.
Maybe nyaya iri kutaura nezvaende time span yekuti what are you going to start with in this case?
Or what am I going to start with in this case?
Yes.
Mota kainongodiwa, you need status. So akadzi vese vanoda kubolewa nawo kapasi pacho.
Okay.
Anotofila kuti fisa nguva nemota.
So we are moving on with our questions. So pane this famous statement rakataurwa naShadaya pasocial media rekuti every man is happy with having multiple women.
Of course.
Yeah. So why do you think men are happy with having multiple?
It's not kuti varume vari happy nekuva nema multiple women. Naturally,
yeah,
the way yatakagadzirwa system yedu. Not kuti I support it.
Yes.
Now I'm happily married.
Okay.
Faithful to one partner.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's something yekuti patochiita kana kuti aunzwe kunge uri kutadza. Undiza you takapuwa rudo ruzhinji vakomana vana havagone kuti endla tingozamawo kuti tispread kuti kunze kwakaoma.
Guys,
I was just being funny.
Okay.
That's a serious statement because it offends, especially madzimai inovavhiringidza. Varume vamwe vanoofendeka vanoti kushaya hanya neupenyu. But you see kuti takasiyana.
Okay.
Iwe unoona uchitofarira chicken but munhu haatodi kuiona. Andozvona. So zvandofarira ini zvokuona zvisingafarirwe neiwe. It also comes down to nyaya yema-values.
I'm doing great. So on social media pane nyaya yanga ichinetsa trend yapostwa naDJ Ola7 yekuti let's say wewe uri musikana like now and you are staying with your man, maybe asati akuroora but you are staying together, ubva bata mari, which is better for you, kuti atenge mota kana kuti anokuroora? What do you think is the best thing to do?
Anotanga andiroora because mhanyirika kutenga mota kuti aite luxury, inini achingogara neni mahara.
Achigara newe mahara.
Chingoramba achingogarisana kudaro anenge achitisa inini.
Alright. So iko kuroora kana kuti kuroorwa kwemunhukadzi kwakambokosherei from your own point of view?
Kwakakosha pakuti zvingori toti chi tadza kutaura kuti ndingati chi chingori pachivanhu kuti tifana kungogarisana pasina kuzikanwa kwavabereki, tendo wavabereki vakaberekawo mukadzi, tendo wavabereki vakaberekawo murume, tichingodaro daro zvingori pachivanhu kuti hatifani kungogarisana just like that, totobereka vana totodii pasina kuappreciata kuvabereki vakabereka mukadzi.
Okay, so buying a car would be
a waste of time because iye anenge akutoita luxury, iwo wakungoitiswa, kungori kuitiswa, kuchaiswa mapoto, in fact wakungobikiswa mahara uchito atoita zvaari kuita nelife yake.
I believe Tendai might have one more question from Tendai. Do you have anything to say?
I think I'm satisfied with what she said.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm doing great. So tikuda kunzwawo mafungiro evanhukadzi maererano nemamwe mastatements anenge achitaurwa pasocial media. For example, vashadhaya
vashadhaya ndokufenda.
Yeah, but we are happy kuti you have given us a chance to participate in this. Saka pane statement rakataura rekuti every man is happy with the multiple women. Munofungewo nestatement rokuti anoti murume wese ari happy nekuva nevakadzi vakawanda?
I mean, it doesn't make sense because iye Shadhaya antomboti vakadzi problem. Saka how can every man be happy with many problems? Simataura ake zvitombo sense kana one.
Okay.
It doesn't make sense.
Guys, ndofunga mukunzwawo ma-views emunhukadzi.
It doesn't make sense.
Ndozvaanenge vachita akati also there's also another statement yaitaura yekuti one drunk man is more wiser than 3 women with PhDs. Munofungei nazvo?
I mean, no, but for me it doesn't make sense. I mean he acts as if he wasn't born of a woman. Saka Shadhaya, honestly, don't go Shadhaya ndokufenda ndomama in fact.
How are you doing? I'm happy that you guys have been enjoying our video. So I've been moving around asking people different questions about the debates and the conversation zaitika pa social media that has been sparked by some of the most influential people on social media in the Zimbabwe social media scene, like Shadhaya and DJ Ola7. So people have been responding differently according to what they think. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this documentary. I believe that we are going to shoot more, and you guys are also going to comment your thoughts and tell us what you think about these videos. Thank you so much.